In the previous video, we have learned Node is a runtime environment for executing JavaScript code. But what is a runtime environment? On or before 2009, we used JavaScript code only to build an application that runs inside the browsers. So every browser had a JavaScript engine that takes JavaScript code and converts it into the machine language. For example, Microsoft Edge uses Chakra, Firefox uses SpiderMonkey, and Chrome uses latest and fastest V8 engine. And because of these varieties of engines, sometimes they behave differently on browsers. Browsers provide a runtime environment for JavaScript code. For example, we know browsers have windows or document objects. These objects allow us to work with the environment in which the code is running. On before 2009, JavaScript code can only be executed inside the browser. In 2009, Ryan Dahl, creator of the Node, came with the idea. He thought it would be great if we could execute the code outside the browser. So he took the fastest Google V8 engine and embedded it inside the C++ program and called that program Node. Now, similar to the browser, Node is a runtime environment for JavaScript code. It contains the JavaScript engine that executes the JavaScript code, but it also has certain objects that provide an environment for JavaScript codes. These objects are different from the objects browsers have, like we do not have document objects now. Instead, we have different objects that provide interesting capabilities, like now we can work with the file systems, listens to requests on given ports, and lots of things. Now some people comparing the Node with C#, Ruby, and other programming languages. Some also compared with the ASP.NET framework, Rails, and Django. Node is neither a programming language nor a framework. It's the only runtime environment for executing the JavaScript code. Next we are going to see how Node works.